Welcome to the White Oak Cancer Center, where whole person care is our main focus for all patients at every stage of their journey.
Welcome. My name is Dr. Akasha Ferozvi, and I am the medical director of your White Oak Cancer Center. The White Oak Cancer Center focuses on physical, mental, and spiritual health, and it brings all of that together in the confines of this beautiful center that we have built here. When a patient gets diagnosed with cancer, the most important thing that they have is time. What we feel we have built in this White Oak Cancer Center is giving back the gift of time, because patients don't want to spend their time running around from place to place trying to figure out how to navigate this incredibly complex maze of services. They want to spend time with their families. And so by having everything in one roof, patients are able to efficiently get through all the appointments that they need and do it oftentimes in one day. The other thing is that unfortunately we know that sometimes patients get admitted to the hospital. We are connected to the hospital so that when a patient gets admitted, we can walk over there and literally see them the same day that they're admitted and see them every day that they're there. Whole person care is important because when a patient gets diagnosed with cancer, it doesn't affect just one body part. It affects every aspect of their life. And so if you approach cancer care looking at only the disease and not the entire person, you're doing the patient and their family member an injustice. As a physician, it's incredibly important for us to develop a relationship with our patients. When we as physicians become friends with our patients, when we know what's going on with their life, we can better understand how our treatment decisions and how our recommendations not only impact the disease, but impact the entire person as they're going through this journey. The White Oak Cancer Center is unique. We have the latest technology when it comes to radiation. We have over 100 clinical trials. We have a multidisciplinary tumor board that meets regularly to review every single case in a prospective manner so that the surgeons, the radiation oncologists, the medical oncologists, all there to ensure that our entire complete approach is made available for patients. But in addition to that, we have aspects that are not readily available. We have an audiologist here. We have pain specialists here. We have palliative care. We have nutritionists. We have an entire wellness program that meets regularly to review all the different things that patients need when it comes to healing from their disease and not just living with it. But what's really special is that it's right here in the community.
The first floor of the White Oak Cancer Center, located in the Medical Pavilion at White Oak, adjacent to the Adventist Healthcare White Oak Medical Center, welcomes patients to a variety of services. As patients enter through the glass doors, they are greeted by the receptionist for the Adventist Healthcare Imaging PET-CT Center. Patients are also welcomed to the area by a large and bright waiting area for the PET-CT office and radiation oncology office. While patients are receiving care, their loved ones are able to wait in the lobby for them to complete their appointment. Toward the back of the lobby, patients will find our receptionist for the radiation oncology office, where our team of experts use the latest technology in radiation medicine for cancer treatment. The additional services provided by the White Oak Cancer Center are located on the 7th floor of the Medical Pavilion at White Oak, provided by Maryland Oncology Hematology. When you arrive to the 7th floor, on the right, you will find a check-in reception desk with a large waiting area and, on the left, the infusion center. On this floor, you will meet with your medical or surgical oncologists and nurses. This is also where you will receive infusion treatment. The on-site pharmacy ensures your treatments and medications are available to you when you need them without having to wait for your doctor to send your prescription to your home pharmacy. Within the Cancer Center, you will also have access to palliative medicine consultants. Also, on-site, you will find an oncology social worker who can help you cope with your diagnosis, find resources, and provide financial guidance and support. The White Oak Cancer Center has various resources for you and your family as you navigate your cancer diagnosis. Your care team will be able to provide resources for any support you may need during your care. When someone receives a cancer diagnosis, their whole world changes in a moment. You want to do everything in your power to care for yourself and your family while navigating this new normal. Taking part in wellness programs can be a key piece to your cancer journey. You'll find a community of support through education, care resources, and group sessions with fellow patients. We focus on 5 core areas of care: medical care, understanding and planning, coping with cancer, nutrition support, and wellness support and community resources. The White Oak Cancer Center team is here for you every step of the way.